Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. Come join me as I take a walk through the Venetian and the Palazzo in Las Vegas. This video was filmed in December 2022. I am here with my husband Kelly, and this is a combination of two visits we had during our 14-day stay in Las Vegas. This property is stunning. It's one of my favorite resorts to go walk around. All of the rooms on both properties are suites, so you're not going to get a bad room here. But even if you're not staying here, I would highly recommend making a little time in your vacation to come over here and check it out. It's absolutely just mind-blowing. Has a beautiful big casino, lots of shopping, and the food is fantastic. I'm going to take you guys to the Luxe Cafe Buffet, and look at this wow factor. This place is just so cool. This is the second video of a full walk-around tour that I'm doing of the Venetian and the Palazzo. I did one about 6 months ago, but every time you come here, you're going to experience something different. It's just that big and that amazing. All of this that you're seeing right here, it looks even more dramatic in person. It is just really awesome. If you're thinking of coming to Vegas, do it. For more Las Vegas resort and casino tours like this one, and inspiration to come here, please subscribe to my channel. If you have anything else to add, or you want to share your story, or if you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you are already subscribed to my channel and have been hanging with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Hey, you guys want to go check out this place? Let's go. Enjoy the tour. Hi, I'm back. I hope you guys are enjoying the tour. I'm going to take you to the Grand Lux Cafe. This has a regular menu too, but we're going to be going to the buffet. It's $25. It is so good, the quality of the food, and it comes with juice and coffee. Like I said, it's an excellent value if you're looking to get a really good breakfast and not like break the bank in Las Vegas. Also not shown is they have an omelet station where somebody will make an omelet fresh for you. If you're still with us, you are a total rock star. Thank you so much for hanging out with us at the Venetian and the Palazzo. If you're still trying to figure out where you want to stay on your Vegas vacation, check out my playlist right over here, where we tour other fabulous resorts and casinos in Las Vegas. But whatever you do, just make sure you book that trip and pack your bags and go. This is your host and your tour guide, Jennifer Sparks. Be well to yourself and be kind to others, and safe travels to you.